Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. Trello can make managing your projects much easier by organizing all your tasks, deadlines, and team members in one visual board that everyone can see and update. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a complete project management system that keeps your team organized and on track. First, you need to create a new board for your project. Click the plus icon in the top right corner of your Trello screen, then click Create Board. Give your board a clear name like Website Redesign Project or Marketing Campaign Q4, so everyone knows what project it's for. Next, you'll want to set up your basic workflow lists. Most projects work well with 4 main lists: To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. Click Add a list to create each one. These lists represent the different stages your tasks will move through from start to finish. Now it's time to add your project tasks as cards. Click Add a card in your to-do list and type in your first task like create wireframes or write blog post. Keep adding cards for each task your project needs. Don't worry about getting everything perfect right away. You can always add more cards later. The real power comes when you start adding details to your cards. Click on any card to open it up. Here you can add a description explaining what needs to be done, set a due date by clicking the calendar icon, and assign team members by clicking the Members button and selecting who's responsible for this task. You can also add checklists to break down big tasks into smaller steps. Click the checklist button and add items like Research Competitors, Create 3 design options, and Get client approval. This helps everyone see exactly what needs to happen to complete the task. Labels are incredibly useful for project management. Click the Labels button on any card to add colored labels like High Priority, Waiting for Approval, or Bug Fix. This gives you a quick visual way to see what's most important or what type of work each card represents. As work progresses, simply drag cards from one list to another. When someone starts working on Create Wireframes, drag it from To Do to In Progress. When it's ready for review, drag it to Review. When it's completely finished, drag it to Done. You've now set up a complete project management system in Trello that keeps everyone organized and accountable. Your team can see exactly what needs to be done, who's doing it, and when it's due. Thanks for watching and happy managing.